Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today's video is going to be how to reprogram an older style outdoor keypad. It's called Click. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is take that cover off to get that out of the way. We're going to come in here, we're going to hold both the pound and the star button down until all these lights stop blinking. Once the lights stop blinking, then we come in and we enter the new code number, hit pound. And in this case, this garage door opener, the code is number 2. So we press number 2. Then we go up onto the unit, press the button in there, which is the orange or red. Press it, and then come back down and re-enter the code number again. All right, so let's do it. And that's our button right there. We just press it and release it, and you'll see the light up on top lights up. Okay. Then we come back over, we re-enter the code into the keypad and hit the pound, and it will work. And here is the list for the different garage door openers. As I said, yours may be different, so make sure you consult your manual or your particular model. And there we go. And that's all there is to it. So let me just go over it again. Press the star and the pound button, hold it down until the lights in the keypad turn off. Once the lights in the keypad turn off, you enter your code number, whatever it is, press it in there, then you hit the pound button, then you come back up and you hit your opener number. In this case, it's the number 2. Yours may be different. Some are 2, some are 3. All right, then we go up and we press that button on the unit itself. Then we come back down, we press our code number in here, press the pound button, and then the 0. All right, so let's do that. And there we go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.